All right, guys, so got a 2000 Honda CR-V here. Bought it, seemed like it ran drive perfect. Got all the paperwork with it. I knew the guy I bought it from, everything's good. 2 days later, I'm driving down the road and it just dies on me. It won't start back up, but it will turn over. So I sprayed ether in it, that didn't work. I searched some YouTube videos, and the most common problem I found with these is this thing right here, which is a solenoid. Goes inside the distributor pack, or it's like a coil. So this one was like $80 with tax and all at Advanced Auto Parts, but put it in, my boys helped me, and she started right up. So problem solved. Hope it helps you out. Good luck. God bless.